Hi, and welcome to 30 Days of Brave Thinking. I'm Mary Morrissey, and today I'm offering you a gift that will help you stay calm, help you discover that even during very, very turbulent times, you have a power in you that you can actually call upon, and instead of being taken down by a difficult time, you can actually find a way to have this be one of the most empowering times of your life. So it's completely free. It's the fruit of many, many years of study of transformation, and I'm giving it to you. For 40 years, my mission has been in helping people, empowering people, and training people in how to have a mindset that's a match to the results they want to have in their lives, how to move results from one set of results to another set of results that are more empowering, more life-giving, more fruitful for them, for their families, for their workplace, and literally for our world. And it works. I've been working with this for my entire life, helping tens of thousands of people all over the world, and especially in difficult moments like this one. I believe that the right thing to do is give everything I can give you completely free here. And in 30 days, you can establish a set point, a mindset point, and a way of understanding how you can use even the most difficult times in your life to actually help you catapult your life forward. Not because so much of the difficult time or in spite of it, but because of how you went through the difficult time. And if you just keep breathing, you're going to create results anyway. And since we're in this difficult time, why not use it to the benefit of you, your dreams, the impact you can bring, and the difference you can offer? So I'm happy to make this offer to you. It's completely free. So to support you today, I'm going to share with you a short video clip from my signature 3-day event, DreamBuilder Live. During that event, people come from all over the world, hundreds of people, to learn how to face their challenging circumstances, release feelings of fear and doubt and worry, and have real skill sets in how to apply the invisible spiritual laws that govern all our results and use the application of those in service of creating results in a life they absolutely love living. So yes, we're facing some difficult times. So let's pull upon this training for each one of us to help us use this time in a truly constructive way. I hope you enjoy this clip. So before we begin, take a deep breath. Take another one. Bring yourself into the present moment. Stay inside this day and inside this present moment. Make sure your notifications, your pings and dings that might come to you through your technology are shut off. So much coming at us. Let's take some moments now and turn to what's seeking to emerge to us and through us. Let's begin. Brave thinking tool number 1. So there are going to be 5 of them over the course of this weekend. So I encourage you to be sure you capture these 5 tools. You can use them forever. Tool number 1. Notice what you're noticing. Notice what you're noticing. So for a moment, right now, notice that you're inside the Dolby Ballroom. Notice the feeling of shoes on your feet. Notice the feeling of shoes on your feet. Notice the feeling of the floor supporting, if you've got your legs crossed, supporting one foot. If you have 2 feet that are touching the floor, just notice the feeling of the support, not only from the ground, but notice it in the chair supporting you. You've given your weight over to that chair. You're trusting that chair to hold you up. Notice your body. Notice your tippy tip of your 10 toes. Notice your ankles. Notice your calves and your knees and your thighs, your bottom and your belly, up the front of your chest and up the back of your chest, across your shoulders and down in your upper arms and through your elbows and through your forearms and wrists and palms of your hand and all the way to the tippy tip of 10 fingers. Notice going up the front of your neck and the back of your neck. Notice the center of your chin, and your right cheek and your left cheek, and the tip of your nose and the center of your forehead and the top of your head. Notice your body. Notice your body. Notice the feeling of all the places on your body where your clothing is touching your skin. Notice what it feels like on your exposed skin as the air gently caresses your skin. Notice your body. Notice that you've been being breathed all day and you're being breathed right now. That your heart is beating and you're not the one consciously beating it.
It's a power moving into and through you. Notice your body. Now notice your thoughts, what you've been thinking. You may have been thinking, this is boring, how long will it go on? You may be thinking, I hope I get what I came for. You may have been thinking about tomorrow and yesterday and what to do on the break. There's a zillion different thoughts going on in here. But notice what yours have been. And notice the general tone of those thoughts. Just notice what you've been thinking. Don't judge it. Just notice it. Notice your thoughts. And now for a moment, notice what you've been feeling. If you've been feeling interested or bored, hopeful or discouraged, anticipatory or questioning, doesn't matter what you've been feeling. Don't judge it, just notice it. Notice what you've been feeling. Now ask yourself this question. Who is it in me that can notice my body but is more than my body? Who is it in me that if I were to lose a hand, I would not say I lost me? I would say I lost my hand, a piece of my equipment. Who is that? Who is it in me that can notice my thoughts but can choose to say yes to a thought or no to a thought? Make a thought really big and important or dial it down to, I'll think about you later. Who is that? Who is it in me that can notice my emotions and take an emotion and make it into a great big drama or turn it down and say, this is all going to work out? Who is it in me that can choose and focus and notice? Who is that? That is your authentic self. The you were before you took this body and the you are when you lay this body down. You are spirit having a human experience. You are more than your human nature. You have a human nature, and so do I. Part of that nature is physical. I operate spirit through that physical nature, through a brain, through a nervous system, and through this wonderful thing called my body. My brain is binary. I have a right hemisphere and a left hemisphere. The thought I think, whether I'm aware of it or not, but a thought I think has a vibration to it. It sets up a whole neuronal chemistry, downflow, a whole flow of a shower of biochemistry activated by the vibration of that thought. Right hemisphere, left hemisphere, corpus callosum, communicatory of that vibration, fluid surrounding the brain and up and down the spinal cord, takes that vibration, that electrical pulse, sends it right through the nervous system. But it doesn't stop with the bones and the organs and the tissue, the circulatory system, organs in my body. It goes right through the skin. Because I'm in a sea of energy, an intelligent, responsive energy. And it responds to me at the level of vibration in which I am being. Your doorway to the life you would love living is how we work with the gifts of spirit that we have all been given. Most of us have been learned to live life reactively. And there's another way to live this life. So the most natural thing to you, it is the most natural thing to every one of us to live a life we love living, that becomes our normal. It's the most natural thing because it's in our nature to do that. But it's not the most normal thing. The most normal thing is a life of somewhat struggle, pushing against circumstances, trying to solve things at the level of fact, and try to move the pieces on the chessboard. So in dream building, you will learn that you are far more than you have ever known. Far more. And you contain so much more than you've ever thought. We all do. So take a deep breath. Just for a moment, take that right hand, just put it on your left side, and the left side, just give yourself and say, good to be me. Good to be me. More than I've known. Good to be me.
Okay, let's take another deep breath here as we come to the end of this video. I hope this clip served you today. And if you know anyone that is going through tough times or anyone who could benefit from this, go ahead and help them. This is all free. Go ahead and help them. Invite them. Share the video with them. And rather than spreading fear and contraction and panic, let's each instead be a part of what lifts us up. Let's give what we can give. Let's spread hope. Let's spread compassion. Let's spread peace and calm, health and love. And so here we are today. You have many choices about where you spent your time. I'm grateful you were here, and I hope for you that you, as people come to mind, that you help them with what you can in the ways that you can only do that. And also, if this is helpful to you, go ahead and share it. It's free from me, and I'm happy to give it away. So becoming a brave thinker, and staying in these higher levels of vibration, we actually become part of the solution instead of part of the problem. It's easy to have the ain't it awful conversation. But as a brave thinker, you're turning now to a different way of being, even in very difficult times. And it makes all the difference. And now, if you would love even more support in embodying brave thinking in these challenging times, I have a gift for you. Click below, and you're going to have an opportunity to receive from me 30 days of daily videos from me for 30 days, helping you stay in a mindset of uplifting thoughts, choosing that day what you can do. I will give you a 5-minute personalized video for you for that specific day of this 30-day program in learning how to establish a set point in your normal thought pattern of being a brave thinker instead of dealing with everything coming at you. You will get through this time, but who you become at the end of this and what your conditions are and whether you've grown through this time or just barely gritted your teeth to get through it will have everything to do with your thinking. So my gift to you is 30 days of training. It just takes 5 minutes in the morning. You're going to have a mindset on anyway. You don't get to not think. Why not think? From a vibration that actually takes you where you want to go instead of just barely getting by and reacting to the circumstances we have. So for the next 30 days, I'll send you a 3 to 5 minute video, simple, highly effective steps that you can apply that day to making that day the best day you can have, even in the midst of difficult times. There's no sales pitch in this. There's no hook. It's just a gift from me. And I'm happy to do it at this time particularly. So it's something I've been helping clients with for many, many decades. And I'm just giving it away now. So I'm happy to do that, and I hope you will avail yourself of it. And then if you want to give it to somebody else, feel free to do that right now. That's what we're doing. So, and you can leave any question you want in the comment section below. So I love hearing from you. Did you enjoy this? What helped you? What would you like more of? How you doing right now? What else can I help you with? So until tomorrow, feel a big, big hug from Mary Morrissey.